my god, look at the side. The side is so much lighter than the side. What the hell? What happened? Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So per the title, you're going to see how I've switched my wash routine to promote growth. So basically, I've been experimenting with hair growth methods. I've been using the onion lately. If you see this picture, that's a month worth of growth, but that's even more than I usually do. That's more than my actual average, and this is the next month worth growth. You can see there's so much different in this one, and that was because I was using onion juice. So basically, I used the onion juice during the week before my wash time. So I'll do a totally different video talking about that and how that helped grow my hair like this, and how I use it during the week before my wash day. But then I decided to add it to my wash day too with my rice water. Today I'm going to use it. It was actually in the fridge. It's the second batch. The first batch I used it and I realized that there was this lingering smell. That's because I decided to add fenugreek powder to the rice, and that leaves some smell, like no amount of essential oil can take that away. So today I'm using it as a pre-poo, and the next rice that I'm preparing right now doesn't have fenugreek powder. So yeah, so let's get on with this video. So basically, I'm going to spritz this on my hair and I'm going to twist it up. Then I'll leave it on for 30 minutes, then wash with a shampoo. Okay, so we are going to finger detangle. Okay, I'm going to finger detangle. So basically, spritz that on my scalp. Make sure I get some nice scalp massage, because we are sneaking scalp massages in everything. Sneaking scalp massages in everything. So I put that throughout the whole hair. Make sure it coats the whole hair, and then twist it up. Then I'm going to get my plastic bag, because I don't want to use my deep conditioning cap. As I said, the smell is very lingering. So even if I wash it and dry it, like, it's still there. Can you imagine? Oh, anywho. So you're going to wash that throughout, and then we got our plastic bag and put it on our head. And we are going to put a rubber around this, so we are going to do that and we'll be back. So I'm back, and we are going to wash this out with my Zebra Naturals. As I said, this took the red out, and I haven't used that since I did that Zebra Naturals video, because it takes the red out of my hair. And yeah, I really want any extra color out before I re-dye it. So we are going to use this shampoo, and here I'll be back when we shampoo and rinse this. Ooh. Like, just look at my baby hairs. My scalp is neat. So we move on to the baobab and neem oil deep conditioner, and that's what I'm going to use next. So I'm just going to use the twist I've already twisted, and then use the butter of it. And with this, I'm going to detangle with my detangler.